I got a lot of chilies, so I started trying the ripe ones. Wash the chilies and then pat them dry with a towel. This is the bottle I already had previously done a week before, and these were served with some shawarma. These were really good, and so like the ones we get in Dubai. So I add some chilies onto the same jar. You can reuse it because it's salt and kind of a preservative. And just close it and keep it for a week, and then it should be ready to serve. I'm using with the seeds, so if you want it less spicy, just put a slit on top and take the seeds off. Add some salt crystals on top, so it'll be a bit more fresher. And that's about it.
That's just a little. There's too little.
So I'm gonna chop these green chilies and add it into this. I'm using the same pickled chilies. I'll be adding some vinegar. I'm using the apple cider vinegar because I don't have the lemon vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar. So let's cut this and add it into this bowl. Just use a kitchen scissor and slice it off. Make it thin as possible. Adding them into this cup. Adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar and the salt water solution from this, as much as you like. Mix this, and this is now ready to serve with your fried rice. This is something we used to get in the Malabari shop with the fried rice. I think even in Chennai it's the same thing. So this tastes really good, and if you don't even have meat, you can just have your fried rice with a little bit of this. Watch out, it's very spicy, those chili seeds. If you want, you can drain them and add the chili pieces only.